Welcome to another 1 Minute Wednesday, where we try our best to cover one of Desk Director's many features in about a minute. Today, let's learn how to set up tags for starting Teams discussions right from your tickets. Ensure the Desk Director Teams app is installed. Open the Teams channel, click General, and then Tag to Chat. Click Enter a triggering tag and type your desired tag, like Chat in General. This tag will initiate a discussion thread when used on a ticket. Choose the default behavior for ticket tagging. More options will be available in future updates. Toggle the Tag to Chat slider to activate the integration. Turn it off anytime if needed. Click Posts to see the conversation initiated by the app in the channel. To update settings, click Update Integration. Here you can modify the server or API key. Desk Director Chat includes powerful features like pre-ticket chat and chat callback. Easily enable or disable these under Portal Then settings and then features or customize per company. That's all for today's 1 Minute Wednesday. Streamline your communication by setting up tags for Teams discussions with Desk Director. Try it today. Thanks for watching.